Alrighty. This is a tornado emergency alert. We're going to activate it. The code is, again, 2234. ERS stands for emergency scan. 5 seconds. Here we go. This is a tornado emergency alert. Again, I repeat, this is a tornado emergency alert. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter now. Take cover now. Get to the lowest ground now. Alrighty, folks, there's your firing on activate. Arrowhead sign. Again, 2234. Emergency code red alert protocol. No, I think oh yeah. This is a tornado emergency alert. I repeat, this is a tornado emergency alert. Seek shelter now. Seek shelter now. We are under attack. I repeat, we are under attack. Alright. So I'm gonna read some notes of every tornado signs and what they mean on Ryan Hall's Yelp channel and Extra and Max Velocity channel and my channel personally too. Tornado watch / advisory. Tornado watch is a watch for any tornadoes coming to locations. And advisory is and second watch. It is advisory for bad weather. It can upgrade to a warning, and it is bad news of a times of a dangerous tornado, I guess. Tornado warning note. Tornado warnings is a seek shelter now, and it can change patterns or directions and whether big or small tornadoes, if no ways of being good or worse. Third level to it. And there's one more. Tornado emergency alert or tornado emergency. Let me explain. This is the highest level from ESA's thing. That's how far it can go. It means that it's violent, a dangerous and violent tornado, and it's big. Because over the last years, trust me, we've been getting lots of big problems. We got 2024 emergencies on the list, 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, and that's it. And 2015 and 2013 and all the way back to 1977. Because, yeah. ESA Mercy Alert System station, and it is violent and a dangerous for and a good to like it goes to good to dangerous can be changed to a tornado code red emergency alert. That means this is like a code red alert. Like this is a code red emergency alert. This is the fifth and final one that they have. Like, hey, this is like a big red flag. Like, this sucker is absolutely gigantic and very violent. And it was so terrible from 2000 all the way to now. And we have to be prepared. Be prepared for tornado and hurricane season. Hurricane watch, hurricane advisory, hurricane warning, hurricane emergency, hurricane emergency alert. Same thing. Severe storm warning. That means thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorm watch, thunderstorm warning, thunderstorm warning, thunderstorm emergency alert. That is a multiple thunder and a big storm. It is also bad news and chance of red alert. Yeah. If we have to pull that airhead and siren that was going off just a minute ago, that is a major red flag, and that we have red lights, but we don't no more because I think they broke, but we're going to get some more. Like, you see, when there's a tornado emergency, and Ron Hall's like, okay, we got a tornado emergency alert. He has the sirens in the background go off with the red lights, and they flash on the TV thing. That's what I'm hoping to do. Put a bank in here, put a bank in here. 2 red, cover it up on the window here, and then activate both when there's a tornado warning or a emergency alert or just a emergency alert of something happening. Like, emergency, this is an emergency alert. The tornadoes are multiplying fast. That's just a POV, point of view. My point of view is someone getting in their car, being so stupid, they're evacuating, but the tornado sucks them up and throws them out the window. And they die. Because you know why? You did not seek shelter. You gotta get your food, water, all of your belongings, everything, and get to shelter now. I'm going to activate one more time. That way you understand. When that thing goes off, it goes off. Because we're changing the YouTube channel, John Deere, to a short, it's not a weather series. It's just going to be a weather thing. If something goes on from Ron Hall's channel, I'm putting it in my channel and tell my team to activate the emergency alert. I'm going to show you. There's no bacons in the background right now, but I'm hoping to buy some soon. This is a tornado emergency alert. This is a tornado emergency alert. Seek shelter now. Seek shelter now. This is not a test. This is a drill. Seek shelter immediately. So that you have every chances to get all your belongings and just get to shelter immediately. Hope you all enjoy this little thing.